Hey guys, and welcome back to Renee G TV. Today I'm going to show you just a quick and easy recipe, a way to use your home canned spaghetti sauce. We're going to do baked spaghetti, and I have my noodles over here boiling, and I have my hamburger meat already cooked, and my home canned spaghetti sauce also in with that, heated thoroughly. We're going to wait for our noodles to be done, and we're going to continue. Okay guys, so I have my pot of noodles. I've drained them. I've let them cool for just a couple minutes. I'm going to beat 1 egg and then add about a 1/4 cup of cheese, 1/2 cup of cheese. And we're just going to put that into our noodles. And then, and this is mozzarella, but of course you can use whatever you have on hand. And then I'm just going to kind of mix it all up in there, just the best that I can here. Okay, so I'm going to get that all mixed up and well coated. Okay, so I have my baking dish, and it's a small one. It is a pound of spaghetti, but you're just going to kind of, once you get it all mixed up and combined, you're going to put that into your baking dish. And I don't really need to butter this one, it works pretty well, but you can butter your dish. Put down your spaghetti, and then I have my sauce and my hamburger, and what we're gonna do is just basically pour it on top. Now I'm kind of to the top of my pan here, you can see. So what I normally do is just put a cookie sheet, put this on a cookie sheet so that in case there's any splatters or spills, that it all stays contained. So get all of your sauce onto your spaghetti. Okay, guys, so we have it all covered with our sauce meat mixture. We have our oven preheating to 350 degrees. And I have some shredded mozzarella. And I'm just going to basically sprinkle it all over the top here. I'm using up what I have left, so we'll see how far we get with this. You can skip this, I mean, it's optional. But this is a very, very good recipe. My little boy has been asking for spaghetti all week. So just sprinkle it on. We're gonna bake this at 350 for about 20-25 minutes until the cheese is melted. And if you like it a little bit brown, let it go, pull it out. And we're going to see what it looks like when it's done. So there it is. We baked it for about 20 minutes at 350. We're going to let it cool for about 10 minutes or so, and then it will come out in perfect little squares. Give this a try, guys. Let me know down below if you have any variations. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.